perfect for brunch, squash tempura. Please subscribe for more innovative recipes for brunch. Zucchini or green squash is a veggie that is rich in many vitamins and minerals. You can cut the veggie into thin slices using a knife or a cheese slicer. I used 1 egg and a little bit of potato flour and usual baking flour to be the batter for this vegetable tempura. I seasoned the batter with salt and pepper. After dipping the squash slices in the batter, one arranges them in the pan closely to each other in such a way that when one flips the whole batch, one does it with just one move. The zucchini or green squash is rich in water, fiber, and has lots of vitamins and minerals, including folate and potassium. Therefore, it is said to be good for pregnant women. But it is also good for those adults who have problems with constipation. It's good to have reputable info sources about the foods that we eat. I usually check USDA Food Central or the Norwegian Mattilsynet, which is part of the Norwegian government. What does it say about zucchini? 17 kilocalories and little fat, 0.1 grams, protein, 1.3 grams, carbs, 2.2 grams. The Mattilsynet offers info per age group. I chose the 51 to 70 years women because I belong to that group, 58. For women 51 to 70 years of age, here are the vitamins and minerals that 100 grams of the veggie can offer to this age group. You can look what your age group can derive from 100 grams of the vegetable from this Mattilsynet website. When it comes to vitamin B9 or folate, 100 grams of the vitamin can provide 5% of the recommended daily allowance. And there goes the minerals too. Calcium, potassium. What else? There's also phosphorus. There's also magnesium, iron, and copper. Also a little bit of zinc. Serving the zucchini as vegetable tempura can increase its chances of being consumed even by those who usually don't like veggies.